Hello, our first lesson will talk about animal psychology, which is important for animal education. What is animal psychology? Animal psychology examines their behavior in relation to psychic sensations thought to be found in animals. Today, animal psychology has 5 main branches. 1. Behavior of underdeveloped animals. According to experiments conducted by Alvarez, there are connotations even in single-celled animals. When entering an illumination in a small size, when it creates an effect with temperature or shaking, the animal avoids light even when the effect disappears. But these connotations in undeveloped animals relate only to reactions to unpleasant effects. Nice effects do not produce such a reaction. However, boneless wolves seek the light shown to them many times with the bait. Worms and slugs that are left in holes in the T-shaped branches always turn to the hole in the same direction. This is the simplest form of motor habits, which is also pedagogically important. 2. Instincts. Instincts are the subject of research in general. 3. Learning in highly developed animals. Some American scientists have dealt with the learning ability of mice that have been left in labyrinths. Short and frequent exercises performed in accordance with learning in humans gave better results than long and sparse exercises. Selection-related experiments have also shown that animals learn to recognize the signs of the environment and learn to react accordingly. A fish eats the bait in front of the triangle. When he has 4 next to him, he does not eat and retain the bait in front of him. If he has learned to eat food only from the large glass of 2 circles, he always wants to take the bait on the large glass. A German scholar named Kohler found that at the end of his learning experiments on birds ate 4, leaving 3 standing next to them. With regard to intelligence studies in animals, learning on movements, such as pushing a door bolt, is discussed. Crossing experiments carried out with railings in front of a feed, which can be passed by the side, are also important. Mammals other than monkeys learn by experiment and error, that is, they try various behaviors such as crushing and shredding until they reach the result. Rearing of dogs is based on the connotations between hoping and behaving. 4. The behavior of the monkeys. Monkeys can often do their jobs immediately, skillfully and in a snap. In the cane experiment, a banana is placed in front of a chimpanzee's cage, and a cane next to the animal. The animal stretches the cane through the fence and tries to pull the banana towards itself. In animal psychology, qualifying jobs that transcend the above-mentioned learning as understanding does not mean accepting it as an understanding from thought. 5. Social psychology of animals. In the field of social psychology of animals, it is discussed that animal fights pass in a certain order. In addition, family forms in the animal world have been studied. In many animals, the father waits for the eggs and the nest, and the mother waits for the baby. In all underdeveloped animals, psychic power does not go beyond the connotation and the blurry effects it creates. In developed animals, however, there are learned behaviors other than instincts. Monkeys also have the ability to do some basic work. When animal psychology is sufficient to compare it with anthropological information and explain some problems in terms of the results it provides, it becomes indirectly important for pedagogy. This is our first lesson. You can ask the questions you want to ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Let's not forget to click like and subscribe.